Hi, my name is Mary Manuel. I'm going to be walking through the Advanced Interactive Media Development Coursework 1 peer review that I was assigned. So the person that I was assigned was Mohammad Abdul Quddus Khan. So that's w1482667. So I'm going to be go over it really quickly. I think my first impressions were that he did really well. He talked us through the animation files that he imported, which were StanTalk 1A, 1B, and 1C. He could have gone through those and told us how he got through the coursework without any issues and without any problems. But the fact that he told us about his issues, which were 1B and 1C, showed the fact that he learnt from those and used those to get better in the next steps. So he showed great understanding and a lot of effort by, again, walking through 1B and 1C, his issues. He retraced his steps and saved continuously and tried again. So 1C, he honestly told us that he forgot to check the ghost mode and play, but he said that he learnt from that mistake and remembered to always place the character in the center and align it. So again, he's learning from his mistakes. He processed all the tracks in Motion Builder and then moved on to the next step, which was importing all the files into Unity. So not only did he show us a great understanding of Motion Builder and Unity through all the screenshots that he shows us later in his progress video, but he also went beyond that and tried to make his own character. So he talks through this at 257 and 650 in his progress video. So if I just jump to 650 here so you can see what I'm talking about, it's just the next step there. I've muted it so you can actually hear me. He goes through his character creator in Adobe Fuse. So he's gone through all the steps and made this character in Adobe Fuse, but once he got to the end, you can see here he had problems with exporting from the Adobe account at the university computers. But I felt like the fact that he didn't stop there was just another indication of his efforts. Because he went on to learn how to create another character using another application. So he again used another application called Autodesk Character Creator, and he went on to say that he preferred Fuse because it allowed his character to look visually better and suit his idea of aesthetics. But the fact that he still used that and sort of edited it to his needs, I think that showed a great understanding as well. He went on to show us his concept ideas for the container CAF. So he, again, if I go to his Padlet, he talks through his characters and his themes and his coursework 2 ideas. He lets us know that honestly he doesn't really have an idea of what to cover in coursework 2, but he has the general theme of steampunk and technology-based pieces that he wants to incorporate into it. So as I was walking through the progress report, he made a PowerPoint presentation to sort of show us his understanding better using screenshots of his work in Motion Builder and Unity. So again, Autodesk and Fuse, I think that just showed a great use of initiative and by learning a new application and a lot of creativity with his theme ideas. So again, the peer reviews, the marking criteria was work that shows exceptional effort, meeting all the requirements, but also demonstrates understanding and work beyond topics covered in class. I think he's hit that quite well, and I would give him around 80 to show that with his progress so far, he's done, in my opinion, he's done exceptionally well, and he has covered more than what was told of us in class. So I'm going to give him a mark of 85, and I'm going to end it there.